Well, good evening, everyone. This is Mike Bass back again with another forecast update for you for this January the 18th, 2026. I'm hoping everybody had a great Sunday out there so far. I bet it's a great Sunday evening. Hope everybody continue to stay safe and well and also enjoy the weather, because it's the only weather you got. Okay, in tonight's video, we're going to be taking a look at the storm system here that brought some snow to the Panhandle, Florida, southeast Alabama, portion of Georgia. Few snowflakes in South Carolina, a little bit of snow in North Carolina, and then more snow up the I-95 corridor on up into the Maine and New Brunswick area of the northeastern United States. You can see a trailing cold front all the way down to Cuba. That will continue to push away. You got another little clipper system up here around the Great Lakes region. We'll continue to push across Lake Superior, Lake Harry, and all the way over toward Michigan to Wisconsin to Minnesota. That will continue to push that direction. You got another little storm system here over here in the right off the Baja region of California. Right now it looks like it's just kind of moving on off to the north and west, and that may affect the western U.S. portions of California and also maybe Nevada. And also got another storm system here kind of riding over, and that will kind of push down toward the southeast as a subtropical jet. Right now it's currently well across Mexico. You can see it going up like that. The northern tropical jet's moving across a portion of Canada. Right now, kind of high pressure remainder of the United States. Alrighty, if you have not subscribed to my channel, make sure you subscribe, also like these videos, share these videos, and also we're trying to reach that 700 subscriber mark. So if somebody can help me get to 700 subscribers, greatly appreciate it. Thank you for tuning in to the Mike Bass Weather Forecast channel. If you're a new viewer, if you like these videos, make sure you subscribe also as well. Alright, let's go ahead and get the show on the road here, folks. Alright, we got some snow up here across South Canada, stretching in Montana through North Dakota, also through Colorado to Kansas to Oklahoma, up here around northern Michigan, also northern Wisconsin, through Lake Huron, Lake Superior, down to Michigan, Ohio, to West Virginia, Pennsylvania, to Connecticut, Rhode Island, all the way to Massachusetts, Maine, south and western New Brunswick, Ottawa and Toronto, Canada. Got some pockets of heavy snow in western New York State as well. Otherwise, big dry high pressure to remain in charge of your local forecast area for your Monday. Alright, let's move on to your Tuesday outlook now, and it should roll out something like this here. Alright, you can see we got some shower activity across northeastern Mexico to Texas to Arkansas to Oklahoma to Missouri to Louisiana, portion of western Tennessee. Got some mixed precipitation up here in portion of Missouri to Illinois to Indiana to Kentucky to Tennessee. And also then we got snow flying from Montana to Wyoming through the Dakotas, Minnesota to Iowa, all the way over to New York State. Also Vermont, New Hampshire, and portion of western Maine. Ottawa and Toronto, Canada, just a little bit south of you guys around Lake Huron, Lake Superior, and also in the Michigan region as well. Otherwise, big dry high pressure to remain in charge of your local forecast area for your Tuesday. Alright, let's move on to the current watches warning advisory map. Your location across the nation, and it should roll out something like this here. Okay, still waiting. There it is. Alright, we've got air quality alerts over here in portion of Washington, Oregon State, and Idaho, with some freezing fog advisories there as well. Some dense fog advisories over Central California. Also, we've got blizzard warnings in the red across North and South Dakota, Minnesota. Cold weather advisory is also in effect, and for North Dakota, also Wisconsin, Minnesota, down to Iowa, down to Illinois, portions of Indiana, Ohio, over towards areas of Pennsylvania, and also West Virginia. Also, we have winter weather advisory is also in effect for you guys through the Dakotas, Minnesota, also in Iowa, also in the Wisconsin, northern Michigan, Wisconsin. You got some winter storm warning across Michigan, winter weather advisories and winter storm warning for western New York State, and then we got just winter weather advisories stretching from eastern Pennsylvania through Massachusetts, Connecticut, all the way up into Long Island, also portion of eastern Pennsylvania, southeastern areas of New York State, all the way into southern New Hampshire, Vermont, and also into eastern Maine. Let's see what color. Let's see what we got here. Extreme fire danger over portion of South Dakota as well. Had to find that. Wind advisory is also in effect for portions of Nebraska and areas of Iowa. Also, we got freeze warnings also in effect for southern Louisiana, southern Georgia, portions of the Panhandle, Florida, much of Florida, down to the central Florida. Central areas of Florida, that is, and also cold weather advisory from Central Florida to South Florida as well. Storm warnings in the purple, about 250 nautical miles offshore. Then we got small craft advisory gale warning from Maine all the way down to the east coast of Florida, Florida Key, west coast of Florida, and also around the Hawaiian Chain Island with some high surf warnings there, and then around the Alaska region also. Alright, Storm Prediction Center outlook should roll out something like this here. No thunderstorm forecast for day 2 and 3. I just picked 2, but no general thunderstorms are forecasted at this time across the board. Too cold for thunderstorms for this time of year right now, because there's a lot of cold air over the area as well, and not too many storm systems affecting the region as well. Alright, precipitation over the next 7 days, you can see loading up and down here in the Gulf, stretching through Texas, Louisiana to Mississippi, Alabama, also portions of Arkansas to Kentucky to Tennessee, a little bit in portions of Georgia and South Carolina, eastern North Carolina, Atlantic coastal waters. Also we got anywhere from about a tenth to maybe about a half inch of precipitation across much of the nation, you can see, and then maybe 1/2 to maybe 3/4 of an inch in the purple areas here across Louisiana, maybe across the Gulf, and then you can see heavy precipitation out in the Atlantic coastal waters as well. And also then we got pockets of just maybe about 1/10 to 1/4 of an inch elsewhere across the board, with no precipitation in some areas as well. Alright, well, I hope everybody enjoyed the video. Make sure you subscribe if you have not. Like the video, share the video. We'll catch you back in the next one. So have a wonderful Sunday evening, folks. Take care and also enjoy the weather, because the only weather you got.